Plastic. Stash organizer. Great for organizing stuff in any room of the house. Durable. This plastic organizer is made without BPA, phthalate, and PVC. Convenient multi-organizer. Sits on the countertop or hangs on a wall. Uses. Can be used as pen organizer, crayon holder, art organizer, marker organizer, and kid desk organizer. Recommended for adults. Op reviews from the United States. Perfect for organizing makeup. I bought this for holding lip glosses, pencils, and liners. I wanted to declutter the surface of my vanity and I had plenty of wall space. Wall mounting was very easy and took 7 minutes. The top containers are perfect for shorter glosses or lipsticks, while the bottom, deeper containers fit long pencils. I could not be happier with this and I may buy another for brushes.